Welcome to the behind the scenes story of how we source and restore our incredible renewed product. At Ovantica, we are committed in bringing you the premium range of gadgets at budget friendly price tag. Our journey begins with an exciting array of scenarios where products sourced from brand liquidations, showroom demos and buyback vendors, rescuing high quality gadgets from the clutches of obscurity, find new life and purpose in our collection. Our team of experts meticulously inspect and restore them to tip-top shape, ensuring each gadget undergoes rigorous testing to meet our high-quality standards. Smartphone technology is evolving rapidly, with new models hitting the market every now and then. But keeping up with the latest releases can be expensive. That's where Renewed Smartphone comes in. It helps you save a lot of money on your upgrades. Renewed smartphones undergo a rigorous testing and put through a 47-point quality check and then packed in a premium box. The products are graded into three categories: superb, good and fair based on their conditions. You might be thinking, but buying Renewed means I won't know the history, right? It's a fair concern, but let's put your mind at ease. Our meticulous checking process ensures that each device is thoroughly inspected, cleaned and tested. With our transparent approach, you can trust that you are getting a top-notch product. Affordability doesn't mean compromising on quality or performance. Renewed Smartphone comes with warranty. Yes, we provide up to 1 year of warranty for these products. This gives you peace of mind and ensuring you are getting a reliable product. These warranties cover hardware and software issues, providing you with a safety net. We also offer a 7-day replacement policy, no cost EMI and free cash on delivery all over India. Whether you are an Android enthusiast or an iOS lover, you will find plenty of options to choose from popular flagship model to budget-friendly devices. In addition to the price advantage, Renewed Smartphone also contributes to the more sustainable future. By extending the lifespan of these devices, we reduce electronic waste and promote a circular economy. It's a responsible choice for both your wallet and the environment. So if you are looking for a cost-effective way to upgrade your smartphone, consider exploring the world of Renewed Smartphones. With affordable prices, quality assurances and positive impact on the planet, it's a smart choice for the tech-savvy individual. The Renewed Smartphone market has broad range of options. Buying Renewed products is a smart and savvy way to embrace innovation without breaking the bank. Just like finding hidden gems in a treasure trove, you will discover incredible deals in our shelves that are sure to amaze. So, what are you waiting for? Step into the world of Renewed wonders at Ovantica, where you can find top-notch gadgets at unbeatable prices. Our products are of exceptional quality and we offer a wide variety of brands and styles to choose from. Whether you are looking for a smartphone, laptop or tablet, we have something for everyone. That concludes our video. Please do check out our website ovantica.com and explore the best Renewed smartphone deals.
Happy shopping with Ovantica.com.